Embarking on your research journey? Establishing a strong online academic presence is crucial. In this video, we'll explore 4 essential platforms that can amplify your research visibility. ORCID, Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar. First up, ORCID Open Researcher and Contributor ID. It's a unique 16-digit identifier that distinguishes you from other researchers, especially those with similar names. An ORCID ID ensures your work is correctly attributed, even if you change institutions or your name. Many publishers and funders now require ORCID IDs during manuscript submissions and grant applications. By linking your publications and affiliations, ORCID provides a comprehensive and persistent record of your research contributions. Next, Scopus, Comprehensive Abstract and Citation Database. Your Scopus author profile aggregates your publications, citation counts, H-index, and collaboration networks. It's widely used for evaluating research performance and is often considered in hiring and funding decisions. Maintaining an accurate Scopus profile ensures your scholarly impact is properly represented. Web of Science offers a researcher profile that tracks your publications, citation metrics, peer reviews, and editorial activities. It's a valuable tool for showcasing your academic contributions and is recognized by institutions worldwide. By keeping your profile updated, you enhance your research visibility and credibility. Google Scholar provides a free and accessible platform to track your publications and citations. Creating a profile allows others to discover your work easily, and you can monitor how often your research is cited. It's an excellent way to increase the reach and impact of your publications. In summary, establishing and maintaining profiles on ORCID, Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar is essential for any researcher aiming to enhance their academic presence. These platforms not only increase your visibility, but also ensure your work is accurately attributed and easily discoverable. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the research landscape. Check the description below for links to tutorials on setting up your profiles.